I'm going to be discussing LGBTQ plus parents in children's media. The first time I ever saw an LGBTQ plus person on TV, I was about 6 or 7 years old. And it was one of the fabulous hosts from those HGTV house hunting shows. And he said something about being bisexual. And I asked my mom what that meant. She told me that it meant he loved people based on who they are, and it doesn't matter if they are a boy or a girl. That really stuck with me. We always discussed diversity, and my mom was always very open-minded and taught us to be the same way. Anyhow, after that HGTV experience, it wouldn't be until I got older that the content I watched would start to hint at the LGBTQ plus community. Shows like Glee and Degrassi and Grey's Anatomy. Once I started to get to the age of teen dramas, I started to see queer people on TV, but before then, everything was pretty heteronormative. Luckily, the script has flipped in recent years, moving closer one step at a time to proper representation of the gay community in all media, including children's TV and movies. I'm going to be highlighting 2 shows that have helped forward the progression of breaking heteronormativity to youth through the media, and have set a pathway for more representation and diversity by featuring the LGBTQ plus parents and community in general. My aunts are gay, and growing up, they had to teach my cousins to lie, saying that they were roommates when looking for a house for fear of not getting rented to out of discrimination. They were so young when this happened, and as they were terrified of people finding out at school and being mean, which is why it was so heartwarming to see that the students in High School Musical, the series, did not bat an eye when the lead girl, Nene, has an amazing and supportive set of moms. This Disney show, along with others like Andy Mack and Good Luck Charlie, are representing the LGBTQ community, which is so important for all kids, especially those who aren't being taught about this elsewhere, and for children who see themselves reflected in these characters. It is so important for youth to see people like them in the media, their home life, looks, background, sexuality, religion, ethnicity. One show that represents the unrepresented is Freeform's The Fosters. This is the Combox. It breaks down media in order to study it. This show and others like it lie in the bottom right corner, supporting audiences, having power and encouraging media to shape diverse stories and challenge prejudices. The Fosters also made history in 2013, being the first show to air a same-sex marriage after DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, was overturned by the Supreme Court. The amazing moms on the show, Steph and Lena, were married in the season 1 finale at a beautiful and heartwarming backyard wedding. DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, which stripped all same-sex couples of marriage rights and equality, was overturned in 2013 and 2015 by the Supreme Court. It was ruled unconstitutional, and it resulted in the celebration of many, including Freeform. Leading up to the episode, producer Peter Page said, "It would be fantastic to be the first legal wedding in California on television after the decision. If it doesn't go our way, then it's an opportunity to make a statement that no matter what anybody says, we won't be bowed." In seeing how marriage affected the family that audiences come to love in such a positive way, it is impossible not to put a smile on your face. Allowing children to see so much joy come from a family with gay parents is so important and breaks stereotypes, like same-sex couples shouldn't be allowed to have children. When my impressionable 6-year-old sister sees 2 boys or 2 girls kissing on TV, I want her to say ew for the same reason she does when she sees a boy and a girl kiss on TV. Not because she thinks it's gross or wrong. Alerting all parents! Yes, Disney is showing gay people on television. No, it is not poisoning your children's brains. Sexuality and relationships are things kids learn about from a young age, which is influenced heavily by the media they consume. While production companies and television scriptwriters are taking steps towards inclusion, a group called 1 Million Moms published an article that literally starts off saying, "alerting all parents," in reference to the same PDA straight characters have, but it was deemed inappropriate because they were gay. They warn parents against supporting Disney, saying its content is no longer family-friendly entertainment. And tell that to the nearly 6 million children and adults who have LGBTQ plus parents, with nearly 2,200,000 of those households having kids under the age of 18, according to UCLA. LGBTQ plus representation in the media is so important for children's development as active and educated members in society. With every gay character on television comes the confidence of one more young LGBTQ plus person and teaches acceptance to those who aren't taught elsewhere. Thank you.